Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you every single day how to draw something. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Mr. Shark from The Bad Guys. So I'm going to start drawing him with the eyes. I usually start with the eyes, but I'm going to start with half circles. So one of those, and another one. And inside those little half circles, and do a little shape like that. And another one. And we can do a little circle inside that shape and color the rest in all dark. So it's not a very big little bit of white. Okay, so next let's do some eyebrows. So they're going to be thick eyebrows. We can color them in dark. Okay. And after that, let's see. Let's start with the shape of the head. So I'm going to do like a little hill shape, I guess. Kind of like a little hill, then coming down, then back up another little hill. And then I'm coming on down here by the eyes. I'm going to do that on both sides. And I'm coming outward on both sides. And then coming down on both sides. And here in the back, I'm going to do kind of like a little triangle shape. It's going to be his fin in the back. And now let's do a curved shape like that right here. And we can put a little nostril here and one right there. I'm going to continue that line right there. And let's give him a great big smile. And we can give him some pointy teeth. Put one there, one on the bottom, another on the bottom, a couple more on the bottom. Okay. And now let's do a curved line like this. And we can start drawing his outfit. So I'm going to bring a line down this way. And same over here. And he's going to be wearing a necklace. He's got a shark tooth necklace, which I find kind of funny. So we're going to do a little line like this, and it's going to be the necklace string. And then we can do just a little line going that way. And we can do a shark tooth. So kind of like a triangle, but it's a little bit curvy. And then I'm going to put a little line going that way and a little line going that way, just so the tooth stays in place on his necklace. So right here we've got the collar of his shirt, like that. And we can do the same on the other side. Like that. And bring down part of his shirt here. And his arms. Do a little t-shirt sleeve here. And I'm going to do another line here. His sleeves are actually rolled up. And then we've got his, well, I was going to say arms, but I guess they're fins poking out of each one of his little sleeves. All right, so now we're done our drawing and we can start coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!